The next award. Peter Rowlands. Mathematics. But a few words only in mathematical equations.
Yeah, it's a great honor to receive this wonderful award. I'm very privileged and lucky to get it. And I thank all my colleagues as well as friends and relatives. And it's also a great honor because I'm a pure scientist. However, I think my work will have some really good applications eventually. Thank you.
The best application would have been he would have given a mathematical formula tonight. Congratulations, congratulations. Okay, so what do we have next? Some picture from his life, because we had a mathematics symposium dedicated to his life achievements and bearing his name. Age 4, age 10, 18 at university, fishing, a friend's wedding in South France. So it doesn't look like a life of mathematician, no? Chairing at Moscow conference, wedding, an office in Liverpool, and so on. An applause for his life achievement.